Hello friends, we have learned what are adjectives. Today let's see the order of the adjectives when there is more than one adjective in a sentence. What is the order of adjective? Order of adjective is when we have more than one adjective before a noun. Then the adjectives are placed in a particular order. For example, 10 small red apples. Here 10 small and red are placed in a particular order. Adjectives describing opinion or attitude usually comes first, followed by neutral factual ones. For example, tasty brown cake. Here, tasty is an opinion. One person might find the cake tasty, whereas another might not. But brown is a fact. The color of the cake is brown. What is the order? Let's see. First is the quantity or number, second quality or opinion. For example, one ripe apple. Here one is the number and ripe is the quality. The big untidy room. Here big is the size and untidy is the physical quality. So quantity, quality, size, and then the physical quality. Then age, shape, color, and then the proper adjective. Usually it's nationality, place of origin, or material. Then comes the purpose. Let's look at few examples to understand this better because this can seem very confusing. Now, how would you describe this picture? We can see a green frog. Some people might find this ugly, some people might find this attractive. So, what is the correct order? An ugly green frog. Here, ugly is an opinion because it changes from person to person. Green is the color. We can see 6 small tables. So, we can describe this as 6 small round plastic tables where 6 is the number. Small, we're talking about the size of the table. Round is the physical quality and plastic is the material, what the table is made up of. We can see a big brown table. So the correct order is a big brown wooden table where big is the size of the table, brown we're talking about the color, wooden the material. Now what can you see? Here you can see a black metal chair. So we can describe this as an old black metal chair. First we have old, which is the age, second black, the color, and then metal, which is the material. An interesting old book. Interesting comes before old because interesting is an opinion which changes from person to person. You can find it interesting, another could find it boring, and then old, which is the age. 2 fat boys. 2 is the number. We can see 2 boys, and fat is the physical quality. It's describing the boys. 10 big red apples. Again, we have 3 adjectives, so this can be confusing. So remember, first we have 10, which is the number of apples, big, which is the size of the apples, and red, the color of the apples. Now we can see a blue metal pen. The correct order is a small new blue metal pen. Small, first we talk about the size, second new, we're talking about the age, new, old. Then third, blue, we're talking about the color of the pen. And finally, we're talking about the material. The pen is made out of metal. A nice little pond. Now here, nice is an opinion because it changes from person to person, and little is the size of the pond. Now it can still be confusing. So try to remember a sentence. For example, 3 nice fat little pigs. 3, the number comes first. Nice is an opinion. You can find it nice, another can find it bad. Fat is the physical quality, and finally, little is the size. So with this sentence, you can hopefully remember the order of the adjectives. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you could understand the order of the adjectives. The more you practice, the better you'll be at it.